Okay, in this video I'm going to show you the entire process I'm going to do to make the thumbnail for this particular course. Yes, the thumbnail you saw before you enroll to the course. We're going to be making that very thumbnail here. Okay, so I'm not going to provide you resources for this particular project, but I'm going to be providing you some resources for the future projects. Okay, well, I'm not providing the resources for this one because this actually has a few of my personal stuff here. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is, since this is a real project, I'm going to show you, we're going to get off PowerPoint for a while as well. So firstly, I'm going to bring out my snipping tool. Okay, so here I have my snipping tool. Alright, so in my snipping tool right here, I just used it a bit while ago. So here, what I'm going to do is I am going to take a snap of the interface of PowerPoint. There you go, it's done. Now I'm going to paste it just right here. There we go. I have pasted it just onto the slide, but this isn't what I want. Does not look like what I want. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete it. Now I'm going to bring up my snipping tool again, and then I'm going to save it, and this time I'm saving it on my desktop as number 13. Alright, now I'm going to dismiss the snipping tool. I'm going to go to design. Here I'm going to click on format background, and I take a picture or texture field, and I'm going to insert the very picture I want. Click on browse, and then go to desktop. Alright, that's not okay. So here we go. Here in desktop there's picture 13 inserted. There you go, picture 13 has been inserted to my entire slide now. Okay, so let's move out of formatting background. So now my background is the screenshot that I took of the interface. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert a picture of myself from this device. There we go. Now you already know all of the things necessary to make something just like this one. Here's PixArt. If you remember from the background removal videos, we have also covered how to remove background using PowerPoint, so making this kind of stuff would be very easy for you. So I'm going to place myself right about there. There we go, it's done. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to insert. Now instead of this device, I'm going to go to online pictures and search for the PowerPoint logo. PowerPoint logo. Alright, so we have PowerPoint written like that, all of these options. I'm going for this one. Let's click on insert. Okay, something seems to be wrong. Let's try it one more time. PowerPoint. Alright, let's see if this works this time or not. Okay, so let's bring it down to a size that can be useful for me. There you go. Now we have put on PowerPoint logo just right there. Okay, very good. Now I'd say I'm very happy with whatever it is here, but let me think for a while, since this is going to be up on the very platform there, so we may want something else here as well. This may look a bit plain, so what can I do? Well, plain ones aren't that bad actually, but I want it to be at the center. There you go. Well, plain kind of PowerPoint doesn't really look bad. Okay, so let's bring it back here. There you go. So I'd say this is about it. So what I'm going to do now is go to File, go to Save As, then I'm going to go to the folder where I want to save it, and then I'm going to save it as a PNG. There you go. Change the name, maybe change it to thumbnail. Click on save. We just have a single slide, so just this one. I don't need a folder. Alright, so we go there to project. There's our thumbnail. There you go. I'd say it looks pretty good. A bit bland, but yeah, it's pretty good. So if you do not see this particular thumbnail on the course description when you enrolled, that would mean that it seemed too plain to me, and then I changed my mind about putting this on there. Or maybe you will be able to see this, because if I think that a plain thumbnail would be more attractive, then I will go with this one. So I still haven't done my research on how other PowerPoint courses do their thumbnails, so yeah, I may or may not change it, but I hope you got the idea of the process I go through for making it on PowerPoint, and just as I said, what I'm going to do the research about. So I think you've got a pretty good idea about how to do the research for making thumbnails as well, whether it be for YouTube, whether it be for Udemy, whether it be for any other platform. So yeah, even on Facebook pages. Okay, so what I can do right now is I can actually post it. I can post this thumbnail on my Facebook page saying a new course coming soon. Alright, so we can do that. Let's do that in this video. Let me show you that as well. So let's first open up my page, and I use two screens. That's why at times you may not be able to see what I'm doing. So there we go. This is my page, and what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to create a post, and here I'm just going to drag on my thumbnail and drop it here and write new point coming soon. There you go. New PowerPoint course coming soon, and I'm just going to post it there. And as you can see, it is going to be posted here. So while you're watching this, if you go to my page, to my Facebook page, and look for this particular image, you'll see that it's available there. Okay, so here we go. You'll most likely be able to see that there. So yeah, that is how you can make this sort of stuff using PowerPoint. Okay, why is it moving around? Alright, so let's just save it, and yeah, that was it for this project 1 video. I hope this was of some sort of help to you. I don't know, doesn't look like much of a help, but yeah, I tried to show you the thing. So I'll put this video on the course most definitely, but I'll try to give you more better projects. Okay, so keep on watching, and thank you very much for watching.